Hey guys, today we're talking about how you can source some good products from Alibaba for your Amazon FBA business. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. Right guys, so Alibaba has got this March expo going on. They are promoting it heavily on their website. So I thought, why not go look for some deals? And I found some quite interesting stuff. So basically they've got this offer going on which you can buy some products at a discounted price on DDP terms. Let's jump to my screen and let's have a look. If you guys want to work with me, join my membership on Patreon, select the level that's relevant to you, and I will see you there. You can also email me at hello@farahfinds.com. Right guys, we are on Alibaba here. If you have a quick browse of the main website, they have different sections. So, if you want to explore customized products, they are over here. And ready to ship products are over here. And that just means if you just want to order a couple of products, ready to ship, just want to, not sample, but just try a couple of pieces in a few different styles and create a shipment that has, a bunch of different products. That's how you can do. And, create a consolidated shipment. And, a lot of different options, but the main thing I wanted to talk about was this March Expo with all the deals that are going on. Basically, a new Alibaba is promoting this expo, which is going to last for a month on from 1st of March till 31st of March. And what that means is there's going to be a lot of different offers on. And so I just came across this and I thought that is quite interesting. So free shipping by Alibaba.com, new buyers enjoy free shipping on their first order. So if you create a new account, you'll be eligible for this. So you can go through this, make sure you read the terms and conditions because they are quite, there's not that much to read, but basically it's a month-long event. You would be able to get really good prices and deals from Alibaba, sourcing your products. And they have this 20% off third-party inspection service, which is really great. So there's this chart at the bottom here which tells you what sort of sampling level you're doing and the service providers company names. And if you want more details, you can just email them at this, visit this inspection.alibaba.com or get in touch on this email address and you'll find it. But look at the discounted price. So before you would be paying $118 for this level inspection, and you would be able to get it for a lot less now. So it's a fair amount of discount and you can save some money. And fast dispatch guaranteed. So on these products, there is some offer going on. So make sure you check all these details by just clicking on terms and conditions apply. And so alongside this, they have this find DDP products. DDP products means, delivered, duty paid. So when your product arrives from China into your country, it would arrive with all the duties paid, and your, freight forwarder or the company who's sorting out your shipment will sort it all out. And these would be the terms you're dealing with. So this page basically has a lot of, live streams coming up. So it's like an online trade show, and you can just save reminders that, any particular product you're interested in, or you want to see a bit more detail in, ask live questions and stuff like that. So you can do so. Just set a reminder in your account. Let's just take a quick look at kitchen and home because that's a safe category for new sellers. So all of these different products, like you want to try on, this cafe tree stuff. There's a new whole set sort of detail going on. 48 pieces minimum order quantity, 6 participating products in here. So you can look at this multifunctional shredder, super sharp grater, vegetables, whatever you want to use it for. So you can talk to streamer. You can send messages through this, I think. and it's by this supplier, you know, hardware factory. So you can follow them, chat to them now, and get your answers. So there's this whole event going on Alibaba, which you can really make good use of. And yeah, I also wanted to, you know, talk about the manufacturing map of China, because so for example, this product, yeah, it says it's from so if you were to just look at the contacts, okay, address is Xinhui. So if you were to look at this, like, where is this on the map? There are cities with, you know, so this a big red dot, cities with 6 clusters. So that's a massive city, Jiangsu, and you have electric wires being made there, circuit boards, apparel, silk textiles, eyewear, shipbuilding, leather shoes, and silicone products. So they are all coming from this big city, and Shanghai is there, and chemical products are being made there. So if you knew which region your product is coming from, it just sort of tells you that, okay, I'm getting this price for this product from this company. And then when you're talking to different suppliers, if you notice they're from a different city, it's a good comparison way to see that, okay, you know, from this city, I'm getting this price. From this city, I'm getting a different price. Why is that? It could be explained by their location. Sometimes, you know, why is a price higher is if the product is coming from Yiwu, it's Yiwu is their small commodity. So Yiwu in China is a small commodity city. If a product, you've found a really cheap price for a particular product, and it's you know, here in this region, I can't even read, but you can't really zoom into this, but it's near Shanghai. So if you look into this map, there's Shanghai, and somewhere over here is Yiwu, and that's the small commodity city in this region, Jinhua. So what this means is the prices you'll get from Yiwu manufacturers or suppliers are going to be very, very cheap, and that can also tell you that the product itself might not be very, you know, good quality. It might be a flimsy quality product, and you might be getting a cheap price, but there would be a compromise on the quality of the product. So it helps to know sort of the map of China and just know which city your product is coming from. Is it coming from the hub? And compare the quotes that you're getting for a product from different suppliers. So this is part of the offer that's running on as part of this exhibition thing, you know, DDP, delivered duty paid to USA and 24 European countries. So I think UK is part of it, but you will have to actually check out which products you like, and then ask the supplier. And it's for buy now orders only. So, you know, it's sort of like when you're placing an order, it's, you know, right then and there on the website after talking to the supplier, and not placing an order, you know, 3 months down the line. If you want to, you know, source a product quickly, it's a good way. But obviously you should only do like small order of, you like, you know, a couple of units of different products. So yeah, a couple of good options going on. For example, you want to try this set. It's knife set with a chopping board, one buyer, and this is you know, for 100 sets you can get up to this price. To USA, it will be $2,576, and it's DDP, so custom duties, import, everything is included, and the lead time is 15 days. So that means, or after payment is complete, your order will be shipped within 15 days. This is quite cool. You can email the supplier and, you know, start the chat and sort it out with the supplier for all these different tools. There's a black color and red color available. For customized logo, you might have to do 1,000 sets. If you just want to try just, you know, 100 units, you'll have to do it without your logo. But it's a quick way of trying some products, you know, just to get the taste of the market. The shipping time, yeah, it's coming up as now about 45 days. So it will take roughly a month to 2 months for your product to actually arrive in Amazon warehouse. And you can ask the supplier to sort out the FBA prep for you. So I hope you guys found this useful. There's a lot of different products this, exhibition is promoting. So make sure you do check it out. And before you do this, make sure you already have worked out before you place your order which category you're going to list in. Do you need the approval? Make sure you sign into your Amazon seller account and check that you're able to sell the product. So, when it says that in a category sign in required, that means when you have signed into your account and you check or go on this page, I will leave the link in description. You will be able to see, do you require approval or not? So make sure you check that you have the right approvals to be able to list this product. So this particular 5-piece kitchen set would go into kitchen and home, and you don't need approval to sell in this category as such, but there might be some other things you might need approval for. So make sure you guys check it out. This is a tip I learned from a sourcing agent, that you compare different regions' quote prices. A region that's famous for a particular product will be able to give you a better price for that particular product that you're trying to source. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and we'll go ahead and look at Alibaba for some good deals during the month of March, as this is a month-long promotion that's going on. And yeah, that's it from me today. I will see you guys next week. Bye.